Alright, so we're all set up here. I've got the Pico set up. I got my shunt tester there. I'm gonna run a concurrent amp probe on the circuit at the same time so that we can test its accuracy. This is a 30 amp Pico. I'm going to put this on the positive side. I have the negative battery terminal disconnected, so I'm going to put my shunt tester in between the negative terminal. See, with the magnets on there, it'll kind of just stick there. Pretty nice. And I'll attach the other terminal of the shunt tester to the cable. And then our blue line, our blue trace, is going to go in line with the shunt tester. So what we're going to have is the blue circuit is going to test for a voltage drop across the shunt resistor. With the shunt resistor known resistor, we'll be able to use the voltage drop using Ohm's law, divide it by the known resistor, and that'll give us our amp draw. That's what the math was that we did on the Pico. That does a math channel that gives us our actual amp draw, and we'll be able to. So we're not going to read our amp draw off the blue signal. That's just on there to use our math channel. We'll actually read our math channel. So let me bring this